My journey began when I opened my wings. Then I started to sing and made sure the world is listening. I will keep on spreading my wings like a nightingale, as the nightingale is always ready to fly.
People ask me what I do. I live the life I'm given to, and I live my life just where I choose, and where I live is close to you. Oh, I live a little, live a lot. We're all the same, but then we're not. No matter what the experts say is true, I live for love, I live for you. You, oh, oh, you, oh, oh, I live for you. The world keeps turning, I wonder why, but I'll keep living, or else I'll die. I live for you. Oh, oh, I live for you. Oh, I live for you. You, oh, you, I live for you. The world keeps turning, I wonder why, but I'll keep living, or else I'll die. I don't know how long I'll live, but all I've got is what I give. If you're asking what I do, oh, I live for you. You, oh, I live for you.
Greatest lesson, I think, is by your song. The greatest love of all is easy to achieve, and learning to love yourself is the greatest love of all.